Minister wa wigithia na iganda Lee Kenyanjui augete bururi wa Kenya ni kwanjiriria kwendia gasi ya kuruga nja wa bururi wona waki wa kiganda gia Taifa Gas warika gicigo-ini kia wigithia kia Dongo Kundu. Kenyanjui ugite thirikari yaigire keheri-ini Dongo Kundu gita gicigo kia iganda cia wonjoria na gigukorwo ki hakuhi na gicukiro kia meri kia Mombasa na niguo kuhuthia ukui wa mirigo iria riendagio nja wa bururi. Akiaria acerete mwena ucio minister ucio no ugite kiganda kiu kia gasi ni giguteithiriria a Kenya na ahuri biashara aria mafataraga gasi kwa wingi kuona gasi ya thogora wa thi niguo kunyihia uhuthiri wa hinya wa kuhuthika uria uthukagia maria maturigiceirie.
Things that we are keen to ensure is that we increase value addition and manufacturing in Kenya, and this special economic zone being at the port is designed to attract investors with an export market in mind. But we are happy to note that today we see commendable progress, and in the next 2 months, by around April or March there, we expect that they will be complete and that Kenya will be able to have an additional 30,000 metric ton capacity here, making it not just distribution for the country but also for the entire region.